Hey, Joe here, Harley-Davidson of Scottsdale, Harley's largest dealership. So hey, I want to let you guys know about some more LED lighting. Last week we talked about headlights, turn signals, brake lights, C and B scene. Today I want to show you some LED lighting to make that bike pop. On this bike here we have Harley's newest LEDs, which they offer for the fairing vent, the speaker pods, for the saddlebags and the fairing, and also their footboards. The cool thing about this is you can control the color you want as well as the mode. So you can do strobe, breath, or solid. So you have some different color choices, as you can see as I kind of go through them here in the fairing. Now they do offer this for the engine too, so you can also get the engine components. On this bike, it's right here we have is the XK Glow lighting on the engine. This is actually an app-controlled lighting kit, and you can change the color to any color in the light spectrum. So you basically flow through the app, and I actually have the app right here. You can choose your color by simply moving the pointer around, and you can set it to either breathe, strobe, or solid, just like the Harley kit. The really nice thing about this kit here is while you're rolling down the road, you happen to have your lights on, you pull on the brake control, lights up the whole entire bike red. So essentially turns all your LED lights into a brake light. Very safe as you're tooling down the road. So come check this bike out. Play with the app. I have the remote here for the Harley product that we have on this bike. You can check that out as well. We're able to install this for you. It's a great kit. Come check it out. Thanks, guys.